Introduction to Democracy. There are key principles of democracy. Number 1, everyone has equal rights or opportunities. This is called equality. Individuals have the right to express themselves and make choices. This is called freedom. And citizens have the right to be involved in decision-making processes. This is called participation. There are different types and forms of government. Democracy is the one we are going to talk about today. This type of government is by the people, for the people. A monarchy is ruled by a king or queen, for example, England, and a dictatorship is ruled by a single leader with absolute power, for example, Fidel Castro in Cuba. What is the difference between democracy and other systems? Democracy allows for citizen participation and protects individual rights. Other systems may have limited citizen involvement or prioritize the interest of only a few people. What power does voting have? Explanation of voting as a democratic process, and it gives an emphasis on the importance of citizen participation in elections. What does it mean when we say majority rule? The definition of majority rule is that the decisions made by the majority of the people are followed. There is an importance of respecting the decision of the majority in a democratic society. Citizens in a democracy. Citizens in a democracy have many rights and responsibilities. One of great importance is to have an active participation in the voting process. You have to decide who is going to be your leader, so you have the responsibility to vote. What are some real-life examples of democracy? School council elections, community decision-making processes, for example, selecting the president. Question: would you rather have the power to make all decisions or have the power to vote for your representatives? Remember, making all the decisions is a huge responsibility. Fun facts about democracy. Did you know that ancient Greece is often considered the birthplace of democracy? Well, yeah, you did. You saw it in my last video. Remember about ancient Greece? Let's think together. What are some examples of civic responsibility in a democracy? That's right. Waking up early to go vote for your president. Let's reflect together. What is one thing you learned about democracy that surprised you? Raise your hand and tell your teacher.